What's this?
What are you going to do? Your super face? Your heat vision? Your super breath? Two different super moves. Now what? What's your next move? The end.
There was a then?
No. Say bye-bye.
No, I don't want to say bye-bye.
What do you want to say?
Poop. I want to say
That doesn't mean anything.
I want to say up and away.
Okay. Go over there and say it. Go.
Up and away.